When I grow up, I want to be a politician. I will serve my country, especially the poor. And I will give them plenty of bigas and ulam. I'll give them many gamot at damit. And for their children, I'll give them many toys so they will not cry anymore. And for my sisters, I'll give them chocolate for the thin one. But for the fat one, no more chocolate, because she will look like bagso. And for my mabait na lola, I'll give her a new prayer book, because her prayer book is already very blue. Naku, ang apo ko! Bongbong. Mami!
Bongbong, paano ba yung diskurso mo? Meron ba kayong declamation contest sa eskwelahan sa kasiho?
Wala ako, Mami.
Paano saan yung diskurso mo?
Paglaki ko, gusto ko rin maging kandidato.